Firstly, take a mixing bowl with 250 grams of chopped baby corn. Add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour or maida, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, a teaspoon of red chilli powder, half a teaspoon of pepper powder. Mix this well. Then add some water, little by little. Continue mixing. If you like my content, please do hit on the like button and subscribe and share. The batter should not be runny but thick. The corn should be coated well with the batter. Heat oil for deep frying and add in the baby corn. Fry it on medium-high heat till they turn golden brown in color. Fry in 2 batches if required. Once done, drain the fried baby corn on a kitchen paper towel or tissues to remove the excess oil. Keep this aside. Now in a pan, add 3 tablespoons of oil. Then add a teaspoon of finely chopped ginger, a tablespoon of garlic that is minced, 2 chopped spring onion bulbs and a chopped green chilli. Saute this on a medium flame. After a few seconds, add 1 chopped or diced onion and half a cup of chopped or diced bell pepper or capsicum. Continue sauteing. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Let the onions and capsicum be half cooked. Now it's time to add the sauces. Add a tablespoon of green or red chili sauce, 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce, a teaspoon of soya sauce, and a teaspoon of vinegar. Mix this well. After about half a minute, add corn flour slurry, which is made by using a tablespoon of corn flour and 3 tablespoons of water. Keep the flame on low during this point and keep stirring in order to avoid the formation of lumps. If needed, add 1/4 cup of water. Let it cook for a minute. Check and add some salt if required and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder. Give it a good mix. Now is a good time to add the deep fried baby corn. Mix it well so that the sauce coats the baby corn nicely. Finally, garnish with some chopped spring onion greens. Give it a mix. Turn off the flame and transfer to a plate and serve hot. Enjoy!